Welcome back, friends. This is our 11th session, Application Load Balancer Host Header based routing using Terraform. First is the domain registration, we already have that. Second is private key, we already have that in Terraform manifest private key folder. This is what we are going to implement, AWS Application Load Balancer header based routing. Like my app.domain name will send the URL to Route53 through the internet gateway, and then we have application load balancer configured with HTTPS. If it is apps1 dot the domain name, it should take me to the private subnet A1 on the public subnet where we have our application load balancer. If it is apps2, it should take me to a different URL in the public subnet A1 instance. This is in the private subnet. That's what we are going to achieve in this. So we are going to understand this changes related to application load balancer in C10 and that host based setting, and changes related to multiple DNS names in the Route53. Error messages I'm going to ignore because you can review the AWS support case ID to demonstrate the issue and resolution of AWS. We are not going to talk about this. This is an error. We are not getting any error at this point in time. Now, Terraform configuration to change to run in US East Ohio region. We'll be configuring another region, that is US East 2 Ohio. So update the TF-vars AWS region. Earlier it was US East 1. Now it is going to be US East 2. That's a 04 file. This is the first file we are going to update, that is terraform.tf-vars. Let's see that terraform.tf-vars. You can see it is still US East 1. We need to change it. So US East 2 it should be. Let's change it. vi terraform.tf-vars and let's make it to US East 2. Then update VPC auto TF-vars. Before it was US East 1A, US East 1B. Now it should be US East 2A and US East 2B. So instead of 1A and 1B, it should be 2A and 2B. I'm talking about VPC auto.tf-vars. So vi VPC auto.tf-vars. So it should be 2B instead of 1A. It should be 2A and 2B. 2A and 2B. This is the second change. This change is already done. Let me save this. The next change we are going to do is create a key pair. So we are going to create a key pair with this name, that is for US East 2 region. So let's go to the VPC EC2 instance key pairs, and the region should be US East 2 Ohio region. We are going to create a key pair in US East 2, and let me create a new key pair with this name, and it should be PEM format. Create a key pair. This is my key pair. I can this is downloaded already, and I need to save this key. This is the key I have. I need to save it. This is where we have the private keys. This is my Terraform US East 2 PEM format file, and Terraform manifest also. This also, here also I need to save. So I've changed the key. I have saved both the keys for US East 2 and US East 1. Both regions I have the keys now. Terraform key US East 2.pem. The name has to match. Give permission to the file. Give permission as chmod c44. Let's check the permissions. cd Terraform keys. We have a directory here. Where is the directory? Terraform keys. Yeah, this is what I was looking. Private keys. cd private keys, and here we have the keys ls-l. The permission has to be permission is already there, right? chmod 400 and star. We should have 400 permissions, ls-l. Now the permissions are only read only for the owner, no else, no other permissions. Cool, the permissions are changed. We have changed the permissions to this file chmod. Update EC2 instance auto file also. The instance key pair, this one. After that it should be instance key pair should be Terraform EC2. This is the name of the key that should be changed, and we are making change to this EC2 instance auto tfvars. cd vi EC2 tfvars, and the name of the key, instead of this Terraform key, this has to be the new key now. Let me change it. This is done. With the key name changed, update C9 null resource provision, and here the file name, this file has to be correctly set, and this is required if we have made any changes. Let's reconfirm. If we have made any change, then we'll change it. And do we have any name to be changed here? Yes, we have to change it. The key file is not terraform key.pem, the name is different, so I have to change this. This is the first thing which we have to change. See here, the key file has to be private key, and this is the name of my key. I'm changing it. So this is the first name, and then we have this also to be changed here. Let's go and change this also. This also changed, private key, and temporary destination also, let's change it. The temporary destination is, again, because we are going by the name of the region. Similarly, this also we are changing, sudo chmod, the permission of the file. Then this is also changed. Do we have any other change? No, nothing else. The keys are only, all the values are changed. This one is changed, this one is changed. Yes, all good now. Yes, cool. Let me save it. Save escape:wq. Next is application load balancer variable file. This is what we will be doing in this example. DNS names, apps1 DNS names, apps2 DNS names, and then load balancer auto tfvars. I have already changed it. app16 agentic.ai.io. Let me show you load balancer, and you can see I have already changed these names. App1, app1 instead of app1 it is app16, and I'll keep it app16, or let me change it, vi load balancer. Let me change it to app16 and app26. I'll keep the same, app16 and app26 agentic.ai.io. Then after that this is also C1002 application load balancer. No change, this is same thing. Then HTTP listener rule 2, this is also fine. Then C12 Route53 DNS registration, I have already changed it, myapps.agentic.ai.io. I already done this. This is also done, Route53. This is coming from session 10. And then execute the Terraform. We are good here now. Let's execute. After making so many changes, let's execute Terraform init. Done. Terraform apply -f. Sorry, Terraform apply -auto approve. This will create my application load balancer. So this is host header based routing, meaning that what is the content of the header, based on that is going to route our traffic. And we were working in availability zone 1, now we'll be working in a different region and different availability zone. So this is what we will be working now. So at the end of it, once it is deployed, what we will see, observation will verify that EC2 instance for app 1, EC2 instance, 2 instances are there for 2 different applications. Load balancer is same. What is happening interestingly is if we are hitting the application 1, it is sending to 1 instance. If we are hitting for application 2, it is sending to different instance. Both are in different regions. So verified load balancer, primary SSL 443 rule, and port number 80 should contain a redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. These are all examples, we will be verifying it. Host header app1 agentic.io should take me to app1 this target group. So app1 and app2. In fact, I changed the name to app16, app26. We'll see that what is configured in Route53. Accordingly, we'll verify and we'll confirm. Again, it's app15 or app16 or app60, app1 or app16, because remember I changed the value there, and this should be the URL will be hitting. So app1, the landing page index.html should add at root context of app if we hit this URL. If we hit this URL app1 index.html, they should take me to this instance. And then if we hit the URL app1 metadata, it should take me to this URL. Failure case access app2 directly from app1 DNS using this example should return directly not found 404 error. This is for app1. Similarly, app2 landing page should be index.html available at this URL. App1 app2 index.html should be available at this URL. And I'm still waiting for this app1 or app16. Based on my DNS entry, I'll confirm this. Failure of app2 should throw that error 404 not found. Let's verify it is still working. Let's see what is the status. I am working in Ohio region right now, and you can see 5 instances are created here. Just now all the instances are running, app1, app2, Bastion host. All these instances are running in region 2 now. This is Ohio region, and if we see the load balancer, what is the status? Load balancer is also configured and it is active. Let's see the Route53 status. We have this Route53 also configured, and this is our agentic AI. Let's see the records. You can see the records, they are still working, it is not done yet. App16 and app26, not app1 and app2. And this is my apps agentic.ai.io. Let's see. Yes, this is the myapps.agentic.ai.io. It is taking me to the root directory, and app16 should take me to a different website and different location. Yes, this is taking me to a different one. And if I try app26, this should take me to altogether new application. So this is the header based routing. This is app2 running. Perfect. So we have app1, app2, a root path based host header based routing successfully configured and working in this now. All the records. If I try agentic.ai.io, that also should work. /app1, this should show me not found. As I said, URL not found. So that's what. Now this is successfully verified all the URLs. Let me reconfirm what we were supposed to verify. This one, if I try, it should return the error. Let me reconfirm once more. 26 is what we remember, that is HTTP S26. Yes, this is correct, throwing error. Similarly, this also should throw error. Let me try. App16. This should also throw error. Yeah, it is throwing error. This is fine. Now we can terminate the resources team. Terraform destroy. All right, that's all for this session. Thank you very much, team.